You keep telling yourself, I'll start saving next month. Then next month arrives, and somehow, you say the exact same thing again. The problem is, you're waiting for the perfect month to start saving.
But there will always be another bill, another expense, or another reason to wait.
And while you're waiting for the perfect time, another month goes by without saving anything. The truth is, the next month feels safer than starting today. You don't need a perfect month. You just need to start with something. Even $20 today can be more powerful than promising yourself $200 next month. Small amounts become powerful when you stop waiting and start repeating the habit. The best time to start saving isn't next month. It's today. Follow for more money psychology.